Hello, welcome back to BGRS Villages. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to stream music on Nuvia and earn from it. So, in case you are wondering how I get to this place, I'm going to go back now. Let me go back. Alright, for example, if you are on your dashboard like this and you want to stream songs, first you can check which songs that is available and how many songs that are currently available. As you can see right here, 0 songs, 0 or and you can see this particular one here. It means that one song is currently available there, and if you check Spotify, you see another one song. So this is where you can quickly see the numbers of songs that are available. You know that the streaming just started today, so many songs will be uploaded, but currently now as of today it's only one songs that is available on almost each of the streaming platforms. So this is what you are going to do. You just need to head over and click on this menu icon right here. If you click on this icon right here, so what you need to do is either you come right here, you can click here, let me change the color, or you can come to this particular place, listening power. So if you are clicking here, this is what you are going to see. You are going to see Apple Music, Audiomack, Spotify, Boomplay, YouTube Music, and SoundCloud. And also, if you come to this other side, if you come to this listening power, let's click on it. So you are still going to see the list of the apps, but let's go back. That's not what we are going to do. Let's click here, royalty estimation. So let's click on the royalty estimation, and this is where I was. This is the first stage that I was. So if you come right here, you can see the streaming platforms that Nuvia has been linked with. So if you want to stream any songs, for example, now if you want to stream songs on Audiomack or Boomplay, you just click on it. So when you click on it like this, it's going to take you to this particular place. As you can see, we have one song available, which is Alaji by Techno, and the earning for this particular song is 215 naira. Note, this depends on the minute of the songs. It depends on the minute of the songs. So if you want to stream this particular song right here, all you have to do is just to tap on the song. After tapping on the song, it's going to come up like this. Then you just head over and click on play. You see, so that is how you can stream these particular songs. But what you have to note is that you have to stream these songs from beginning to the end for you to be able to earn from it. If you don't stream these songs to the end, you are not going to earn. At the end of the songs, it's going to redirect you, so that is where you earn, and you cannot forward any of the music or any of the songs. You have to listen to the songs from the beginning to the end so that you can earn from that particular song. So let's go back to another place. Let us me want to stream another music on Spotify. I can just tap on it. You see, we have another song right here, and if you want to earn from this particular song, you can also click on the song and see. So you make sure to play the song from the beginning to the end. Let's go back. So after you play each of the songs, you can go to your history. As you can see right here, I streamed this particular song, this techno song Alaji. I earned 215 naira from it. I also stream another song which is by this particular song right here. I also earned 215 naira from it. Like I said before, your earnings depends on the minute of songs that you stream. There are some songs that will carry over 400 naira and up to 470 naira depending. So that is it for that. You can also come to this history right there. In case you stream many songs, this is where you can find it all. If you just click on the history, you are going to see the list of activities that you have on your account. So let's go back and stream another song that will earn us higher money or higher amount. Let's go. You click on this particular arrow right here. So when you click on it, let's go for Apple Music. Know that Apple Music carries the highest earning. Go with the Apple Music. So when you click on the Apple Music, you just wait for it to load. It's going to show up like this. Look at it here. You see this particular song right here. The price tag or the earning for this particular song is 470 naira. So if you go ahead and stream this particular song right here, so if you stream this particular song from beginning to the end, you are going to earn 470 naira. Okay, with what I'm seeing here, your earnings doesn't, or your earnings is not depend on the numbers of songs, the numbers of minutes that you stream, but it depends on the streaming app. So the Apple Music carries the highest earning. So to really make us understand this very well, let's go back to this particular place. Let's go back to this royalty estimation. This royalty estimation, this is okay. Let me explain it well here. It means that any song that you are streaming from Apple Music, you are going to earn 470 naira from it. And any song you are streaming on Audiomack, you are going to earn 270 naira. If you are streaming on Boomplay, you are going to earn 170 naira. If you are streaming on Spotify, you are going to earn 230 naira. If you are streaming using SoundCloud, you are going to earn 130 naira. And lastly, if you are streaming using YouTube Music, you are going to earn 320 naira. So this is the second to the highest earning on this particular streaming app. So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. But the first thing before I call this video, note that this is where your earnings will appear. If you are streaming, this is where you will see your earnings. Understand? In case you don't see your earnings on the main dashboard, just come to this royalty estimation. You are going to see your earnings right here.